Hello everybody. Today we are going to reorganize my sump. We are going to take everything out, and put everything back in using some cable management magic. In order to do that I ordered some cable management accessories on Amazon. The Alex Touch cable sleeve, cable ties, zip tie mounts and some zip ties. Here we go. Most of the equipment is installed, only the UV sterilizer and the GFO left. Looking good. The strong lead is secured better and the grow light for the algae is mounted in the back for better view and maintenance. Finishing the job. All done. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this.